Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the Neku app, which is used for creating original characters or avatars or stickers. So the Neku app is used to make avatar stickers. It can also be used to make original character. It is primarily designed for mobile device, iOS and Android. However, you can still create avatars using Neku on your PC by emulating a mobile environment, and here's how you can do that. So this is the Neku app here. You can see it on Google Play Store. So that means it's not meant for PC, but I'm going to show you how you can also use it on PC. The first thing you can do is install an Android emulator like BlueStack. BlueStack is a popular and widely used emulator. You can use that, or you use Nox Player, another reliable option with good performance. You can use Memu Play, MEMU Play. It's known for its lightweight nature and ease of use. So after downloading an emulator, the next thing you're going to do is set it up. Open the Google Play Store. Within the emulator, search for Neku and install the app. Next, you have to create your avatar. When you launch the Neku app within the emulator, follow the on-screen instructions to customize your avatar's appearance, clothing, accessories, and more. Let me show you what I mean by that. This is a preview of it, of how it will look. You can see the anime version of himself. Avatar is being created, so you pick from the options like this. So that's it. So once you are through, like I said, follow the on-screen instructions to customize your avatar's appearance, clothing, accessories, and more. And once you're through, save your avatar within the Neku app. You can usually export the avatar image to your PC storage through the emulator's file manager. Ensure your PC meets the minimum system requirement for the emulator that you choose. And also, a good internet connection is essential for downloading and installing the emulator and the Neku app. If you encounter any issues, refer to the emulator documentation or support forums for troubleshooting. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy the creative freedom of Neku's avatar customization features on your PC. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks.